And today's video is about my slime collection. So, sorry for all that noise. People be trying to find stuff. So, my first slime is the slime. Sorry guys. This is my first one. I made my handprint on it. My first slime. So this. I hope you guys can see it. So that's my first slime. And this slime is called Ocean Blues slime. And yeah, I have my handy dandy straw. And little bristles. Obviously, it doesn't work like that. So, it blows bubbles. I just got done blowing bubbles. I don't know what it's doing now. Okay, I'm gonna make it blow bubbles. Really. Thank you. Tell me what's wrong with really good. Tell me what's wrong. Okay. Okay, obviously it's not bubble, but it do make clicking noises. It is broke.
Do you have seen the toothpaste?
Nope. It was over there on that box. That's right.
I found it.
How can you find the toothpaste? Y'all can't find the phone. Amazing.
Huh? How am I lazy?
I said amazing.
Oh.
Okay, so that's enough of this slime right here. Put it back in each container. It's still right near this. It makes a lot of noise, that's why I think. And this one is a snow slime because it's white, it's pearly white. This one is so thin that it doesn't make like that kind of noises, like the other color. So that's this one this one is jiggly first, but then I have contact solution. This one is color slime. It erased. See, you see it's not right there anymore, or the.
Is there any tape?
No, y'all use up everything we have.
Okay, this one. This one, I added a lot of contact solution. Let me tweak that. So, This one we're not gonna show. But that's color slime. Well, it should be colorful slime. Well, it's color slime. This one is, honestly don't know anymore. Have to check. This one is my 4th of July slime because it's, and then what's it called? The circles are not dirtiness. It's 4th of July slime. Have to rewrite that one. I like going through this one. Rework on this. That's this one that I need to think blacks it. You heard that. Okay, that's one of the other slimes, and this one is my favorite slime. And this one is lemonade slime because it's so yellow. And it really doesn't pop because it's lemonade. It's basically white because the ice and yellow because the juice of the lemonade. See, this one is very thin too. So that's all of my slimes. I have 5 of them. Yeah, 5 of them. I have more than 5. Look. So that's all my slimes. And as you can see, when you put them in a thing, it turns into squares. So this is a square. This is square, kind of square. This one kind of square. I just honestly just got done.
Change it. Nowhere.
Kind of square. Not done with that.
My clothes is too dirty.
Oh, you mean my shirt?
Yeah.
Sorry, the sock fell on my camera.
Huh?
Mm-hmm. Oh, I don't even know why I just did that. It was a square. Very fun.
So how long have you thought about?
So these are my slimes. These are my slime collection.
I'm trying to find something to do.
Okay, she playing with her slime. What's wrong with you playing with slime?
Because my slime is not right. I didn't make mine right.
Here go my slime collection.
Give her one of yours, Zaire.
Okay, here you go.
Now, why don't you just ask? Here, put the stuff right. That's all
You
have
can
to do.
use them. So that was my slime collection. So that was my
I'm just
That's
saying.
why I don't like saying nothing about stuff.
I'm just
that
telling you.
was my slime
That's your
collection.
problem. You don't want to hear nothing.
And then I put it on this
That's what I just
board.
said. You want nobody to tell you nothing.
So thank you for watching this. Watch the other video. Bye.